Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Highlander. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, keyless entry, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, premium sound system, MP3 player. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.